This is Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then among the control panel shortcuts, try to find the nearby share icon. Upon finding, touch and hold at its icon. Then turn on this toggle, and from here, more or less, the feature is ready to be used, but there are quite a few other configurations that we can still make. For example, you can rename your device. You can make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as manage its visibility status, change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and well, we are all set. Now let's go ahead and try this feature out. So I happen to have another device on me, which I will use to try send something from this phone to this one through the nearby share. So let's say I'll send this picture. As you can see, it has been successfully discovered. Now tap on it, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to get sent and received respectively. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.